Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I will be doing a meal prep using, I think that is Murray's Sea Park. Yeah, Sea Pack, right? Salmon. I never had it before. This is my first time. It came from BJ's and it's barbecue marinade salmon. It tastes like it has a little lemon pepper in it. I really don't think it tastes anything like barbecue, honestly. But yes, it's really good. So it came with 4 slices in there. And we're just gonna put, that extra juice on top to have like some gravy on top of the rice. So yeah, and we baked it for 18 minutes on, I think that was 375. So yeah, I didn't do a vlog today, so I just decided to let y'all see me meal prep. So I did some rice and broccoli as well, but this is how the salmon looks before putting it in the oven. We're just going to put some more of that on there. And I decided to put brown sugar on like 2 of the slices just to see how it would taste. I haven't tried it yet. So yep, there it is. It looks so good. And I really did like the salmon. I just had my first meal prep today. So yes, we put it in the oven for 375, and now we're going to boil the rice. I did 2 bags, and this was what's the brand that comes in the red and yellow and blue box? Whatever that brand is. And then we're going to go ahead and get the broccoli started. I only put a little water because I want the broccoli to steam, not boil. So yeah, and I'm using 2 bags, that Walmart brand, the broccoli florets. I don't want to talk the whole time. Y'all can see what I'm using. I just wanted to let y'all know when y'all see the meal prep bowls, they did come from Amazon. The salmon came from BJ's, the rice and the broccoli came from Walmart. So enjoy the video.